Welcome back to Creative Money series, where we take your creative talents and turn them into cash. I'm Anna, and in this episode 2, we're diving into the world of digital art marketplaces. I'll walk you through how to randomly create a simple yet striking piece of art, and then I'll reveal some of the best platforms to sell your creations and make money online. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, today's episode will help you take that first step towards turning your passion into profit. So, grab your brushes, stylus, or whatever creative tools you prefer, and let's get started. Actually, before we get started, please be human and subscribe my channel. It really makes my day. And those who stick with me. I will reveal some more insightful methods to create a larger passive income network around your art generation. But I will let you know when the time is right. So, let's kick things off by creating a simple but beautiful piece of art. No complicated techniques, just a quick and easy process that anyone can follow. And by the end, you'll know exactly some good places where to start selling your work and make some money. I will also provide all the links to these marketplaces in the description. Now let's get into it. So now we're back on Fooocus Ai. Let's start by picking up some random art styles for your workflow. Pick what looks interesting to you. There's plenty of options to choose from. Type something random what you want to create. I'll start with crazy illustration of monkey in space. Then add couple describing words if you want. Then hit generate and we'll see what happens. And remember, it doesn't have to be something specific you want to create. The beautiful thing in art is that you can start from anywhere, even from a tiny pixel, and it can become something entertaining or gorgeous at the end. All right, nice. It seems to generate a monkey in a space like I asked. Isn't that beautiful little space monkey? Now let's take this monkey to Input Image Box and use it a bit more. You can add more describing prompts for the picture if you want, and then we're going to upscale it once. Hit generate, and then we wait for the results. All right, now it's ready, and it's just like I wanted it to be. I mean, look at these wavy, curly colors. It's like a painting. Don't worry if it doesn't look like you wanted it to be. You can always try again. There's no deadlines here. It's time to try upscale it a bit. So press the upscale or variation and drag and drop the image. Then choose upscale ×2. Then we hit generate and wait for the upscale. But during the waiting, I can show a couple other pretty good options to upscale pictures. One of them is a website called CreativeMoney Ai. In here, if you want to upscale a picture, just sign in with your Google account. Go to Enhance tab, and you can start upscaling for free. Another good one is using Pinocchio platform, which is a local downloadable platform. From there, you can launch a bunch of different softwares like Flux, Cogvid, Comfy UI, Clarity, and so on, completely for free and locally on your PC. I highly suggest that you download Pinocchio because it offers so many softwares for free, and deploying the apps is only one click of a button. The platform handles the rest. And the Clarity I just showed you is the one for good upscaling. Now I'll just scroll down the rest so you can see how many free and excellent apps you can use in Pinocchio. Now our monkey is upscaled too, and it's time to move on. Look how detailed it is. Just perfect. Next, I'm going to mix and match this with other art styles too. Maybe I will make something black and white logo style. I don't know, but you can do it if you want to. One good free image editor is Photopea, if you ever need to make those thumbnail or something. That's pretty good for those, but I'm not going to dive into it now because I still have to show some of those websites where you can make money with your designs. Now, even these pictures look like some entertainment only. There is actually people wanting to buy all kind of art. It can be comics, hyper-realistic people, landscapes, vehicles, all kind of things in all kind of forms of arts. The first website I'm going to show you is Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica is an online platform offering a vast collection of digital assets for creators, including fonts, graphics, crafts, sewing patterns, embroidery designs, and more. It's a go-to resource for designers, crafters, and artists looking for high-quality creative materials to enhance their projects. With both a subscription model and individual purchase options, Creative Fabrica allows users to access and download thousands of resources to fuel their creativity and elevate their work. And you can sign up for them to be a creator and earn money with your designs. Next one on the list is Wirestock. It's an online platform that helps creators, photographers, and designers sell their digital artwork through multiple stock photo websites. By uploading your designs to Wirestock, your work is automatically distributed to top stock platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock, saving you time and effort. Wirestock also offers a user-friendly interface, streamlined licensing process, and a commission system that allows you to focus more on creating and less on managing sales. It's an ideal choice for designers looking to monetize their art passively. Let's move on to next one. Design Bundles is an online marketplace where designers can sell their digital products, including fonts, graphics, SVG files, templates, and other design assets. With a focus on providing high-quality design resources, Design Bundles offers a user-friendly platform for creators to showcase their work and reach a broad audience. The platform also frequently runs promotions and discounts, helping designers gain more visibility and attract customers. It's an excellent choice for designers looking to sell digital products with minimal effort and access a large, engaged community of buyers. Next is Design Cuts. It's an online marketplace that allows designers to sell high-quality design resources, including fonts, graphics, templates, and add-ons. It's known for its curated bundles and exclusive offers, giving designers a platform to reach a global audience while also providing customers with access to premium design assets at discounted prices. Design Cuts supports a creative community, making it an excellent option for designers looking to monetize their work, connect with potential buyers, and grow their brand. The platform offers an easy-to-use interface, ensuring a smooth experience for both sellers and buyers. Deposit Photos is a popular stock photo and design marketplace that allows designers to sell their digital artwork, including illustrations, vectors, photos, and graphics. As a contributor, you can upload your designs and license them to a global audience, earning royalties with each download. Deposit Photos offers a straightforward platform for designers to monetize their work, with competitive commissions and a large, diverse customer base. It's an excellent option for creators looking to expand their reach and generate passive income through stock sales. Now let's keep going. Next one is Teachers Pay Teachers, TPT. It's an online marketplace where educators and creators can sell educational resources, including lesson plans, worksheets, printables, and design materials tailored for the classroom. For designers, TPT is a great platform to sell customizable educational resources, such as classroom posters, flashcards, activity sheets, and more. With a large, engaged community of teachers and homeschoolers, TPT offers creators a way to monetize their designs while supporting the education community. The platform provides easy upload tools, a straightforward payment system, and opportunities for creators to grow their brand within the educational space. And then there's Etsy. Etsy is a popular online marketplace for handmade, vintage, and digital products, offering a perfect platform for designers to sell their artwork, including prints, illustrations, digital downloads, and customizable designs. Known for its creative community and unique products, Etsy provides a user-friendly storefront for sellers to showcase their designs and reach a global audience. With built-in tools for managing listings, payments, and promotions, Etsy makes it easy for designers to monetize their work and build a brand within a thriving artistic community. It's an ideal choice for those looking to turn their designs into a profitable business. Let's move on. The Noun Project is an online platform that allows designers to sell their icons, symbols, and graphic designs to a global audience. Specializing in simple, recognizable visual assets, the Noun Project enables creators to upload their designs, set licensing terms, and earn royalties with each download or subscription. It's a great platform for designers focused on creating clean, minimalist icons and graphics for use in various digital and print projects. With millions of users and a strong search-driven marketplace, the Noun Project offers excellent exposure for designers looking to monetize their work and expand their reach. The next one is interesting. It's for selling patterns, but it can be very lucrative. Pattern Bank is an online marketplace where designers can sell their original patterns, prints, and designs to a global audience. By joining Pattern Bank, you can upload your designs and earn a 50% commission on all sales, with payments made directly to your PayPal account on a monthly basis. The platform offers two main types of licenses for your designs. 1. Non-exclusive personal license. Allows your design to be sold multiple times for personal, non-commercial use. 2. Exclusive premium license. Grants a one-off exclusive license, meaning the buyer owns the design after purchase. To become a seller, you need to apply by signing up for a free account and submitting samples of your work. Pattern Bank has a rigorous screening process to ensure the quality and originality of designs. Once approved, you can start uploading your designs and setting your preferred licensing terms. Before we quit, I wanted to let you know that on a website called aivideo.com, which is so far one of the best ones all-in-one AI video websites out there, they are giving extra credits and minus 50% for the first month subscription at the moment. You can create stunning long videos with it, and it doesn't really break the bank. Link in the description. Well, that's a wrap on today's episode of Creative Money. Now you've got a simple art piece ready to go, and you know exactly where to sell it for some passive income. Easy, right? Remember, it's all about taking small steps and building momentum. The more you create, the more you'll earn. And if you stick around, I've got even more tricks up my sleeve to help you grow your creative business. So, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, keep creating, keep earning, and keep making that money. See you soon.